So today we're comparing Salesforce and HubSpot to help you figure out which CRM is actually better for US businesses. But before I show you which one comes out on top, there's one major difference between these two platforms that most people overlook, and it changes everything. Once you understand this difference, picking the right CRM becomes effortless. I'll show you that in a moment. Both platforms promise automation, better sales tracking, and stronger customer relationships. But the real question is, which one actually fits the way your business works? Because that's where things start to separate. Let me show you a quick sample. Imagine you're running a growing US business. You want clean pipeline tracking, automated emails, smart reporting, and tools your team won't complain about using. Here's the moment that surprises most businesses. When you open HubSpot, everything feels simple. Clean dashboards, drag and drop workflows, email automations you can build in minutes. This is your plug-and-play CRM. It's fast, user-friendly, and perfect for small to medium US teams who want easy adoption. But now, switch over to Salesforce. And it's a completely different world. Every field, report, object, automation, you can shape the system around exactly how your business works. And here's the transformation. When you unlock Salesforce customization tools, the CRM doesn't just track your sales process. HubSpot gives you speed, Salesforce gives you power. So which one is better for US businesses? Well, it depends on whether your team values simplicity or scalability. And the final answer might surprise you. If you want the full breakdown, pricing differences, hidden limitations, and the CRM I'd recommend for your exact business size, check out the next video on my channel. And if this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe for more tech breakdowns.